Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Harrier. It has the 3.0 V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This Harrier has 56,516 original miles. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. Features 4 doors alongside with 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. It does come with this interior trunk cover that goes all the way to the back door. It is removable if you choose that you do not want it to be back there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle also comes in kilometers, not miles. The number that you're seeing down here, 90,955, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 56,516. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family. Thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Driving to savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.